Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the backup and preparing the device. First, make sure the iCloud backup you need exists and note its date and size. Next, put the device on stable Wi-Fi and plug it into power so the restore won't stall. Once those prerequisites are set, erase the device using Settings General Transfer or Reset Erase All Content and Settings. When the device restarts, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and sign in with your Apple ID to continue. Once signed in, you'll see available backups. Pick the one matching the date and device state you want to restore. You should check the backup size and any notes about included app data so you know how long it might take. Start the restore and stay connected to Wi-Fi and power. The system downloads settings, apps, photos, and messages. While core data restores first, apps and media will continue downloading in the background, so make sure you don't interrupt the network or power. After the restore shows complete, finish the setup flow and allow apps to reappear while the device stays on Wi-Fi. You should verify messages, contacts, photos, and health data are present. Some items like keychain passwords require you to enable iCloud Keychain and re-authenticate. If something's missing, make sure you use the same Apple ID and the same phone number. Also check that the backup was made and the device is updated to a compatible iOS version. If the backup doesn't appear, update iOS and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.